So hi everyone, I'm Nachiket Bhatia, and I have been getting a lot of queries from our students that sir please give me some tips to improve in life generally, okay, on a normal basis, daily basis. But the point was that I did a small survey in the market and I talked to many of our students, friends, and I found out that many of them, even when I gave them advice, they were just reluctant to actually use that particular advice in their lives. Not because they were apprehensive, no, it is because they were just facing a lot of problems. And today I have got noted down the 8 problems, and on after research on the internet I have actually managed to make 8 points that I believe can actually uh, improve your life quite a bit. The very first being, manage your time. You are not just overwhelmed with work. First of all, you are not overwhelmed with work, you are unorganized. You ask people around you and they will tell you, the moment you ask them something they'll tell you, yaar time hi nahi hai yaar, I'm so busy, I'm itna busy hu. They are actually busy, they are so unorganized that they are always full of work. The first thing that you need to do is you have to wake up early. You have to make a schedule. You have to stick to the schedule and you have to give yourself a deadline कि ये काम कल तक खत्म हो जाना चाहिए मेरा. This work needs to be done by tomorrow. Only then you are self motivated. Otherwise you are just lingering the work on and never ever you will ever find yourself free of work. I'm managing 4 companies, Bhatia MDS division, FinTech, and I'm starting a new company in gym, basically a health motivation company. But if I am free, yes, you can be free. Elon Musk has having $500 billion, 4 companies, and yet he manages to find time to actually give a reply to every tweet regarding cryptocurrency. It is because of his worthiness, his time schedule. Follow that video. I'll give you a link very soon. Follow that video and you'll see that how amazingly he's managing his times. He has so many tips and tricks. Try to follow that. It is not because you want to reach his level. No, you want to improve your life. You want to get organized in your life. That is what you want. That is what I want. And every day I start by making a small schedule. It is not for that, again, I'm not wanted to reach his level. No, I just want to make my life better. I make a schedule every day and I try to stick to it, whatever happens. I only go out when my schedule has been completed by myself. So that is a promise that you have to do for yourself. The second being, stop looking for new things, a new country, a new city, a new job, a new partner. You have to first love what you have around you right now. Otherwise, even if you find something that you're looking for, you will never ever be happy with it because you don't know what you have until you lose it. So be happy with what you have currently. The third being, focus on one thing. I've seen so many budding entrepreneurs right now who have, their hands in so many things. And the problem is the moment the first thing happens to hit an obstacle, they simply retrieve back and go to another thing. They never learn how to pass that obstacle. And if you do not know that, you will never be able to do that particular thing in the same manner in the next thing. So you are not moving anywhere in life. You are just moving from one opportunity to the other, never exploiting that potential to 100%. So stick to one thing with 100% motivation rather than 5 things with 20% motivation. You have to be good in one thing and you have to be the best at it. So that should be your motto. Make gradual improvement. You can't go to level 10 without being at level 1. I'll tell you something. I have been in a recent conversation with a very great person, and this is the one thing he told me because I was also trying to, कि सर शुरू करेंगे सीधे यहाँ ले जाएंगे वहाँ ले जाएंगे. He asked me one thing, बेटा तू यहाँ कैसे लेके जाएगा? यहाँ तो पहुँच जाएगा अपने आप, but यहाँ कैसे लेके जाएगा? And for that, एकदम से I went blank. I thought that he's a great man. I'll talk big things. He told me that for making a conversation with him by me, I need to start with the very basics. Because if those parts are covered, then reaching the 10th level will be very easy. But if you can't reach first thing, even if I give you 100 crores, you are going to simply dissolve it. So what you need to do is, instead of reaching level 10, thinking कि मैं सारे subject एक साल में कर लूँगा, first think about how I'm going to study for this 1 week, how I'm going to study for today and tomorrow. So if you are able to make a schedule for yourself for today, study with commitment, study with some focus, then that week is possible. And if that week is possible, of course the month is possible, and that year won't look that far. So make small plans and try to complete those. Have a vision. I'm not saying don't have a vision. Have a vision that I'm going to complete all the subjects in 12 months. That's okay. But you need to make a mission, a smaller plan, which should be your daily plan, so that every day you are taking a small step ahead. Stop chasing motivation. The only thing that is stopping you from reaching somewhere is because you are chasing motivation on a daily basis. You are listening to a daily motivator every day, a new motivator every day. कोई ये कुछ बात कहता है, कोई कुछ बात कहता है, and the problem is you are not reaching anywhere because you are not following a single motivator. If you want to reach somewhere, then you have to have a single motivator who you trust with your full heart. It can be anyone. It doesn't have to be somebody on YouTube or somebody in, it can be a person, it can be a friend, it can be your father, your mother, it can be your elder brother as well. But you have to believe in him or her with your 100% heart. If you go with like 50-50 and then follow somebody else, you are not going to reach anywhere, because everybody has a different philosophy in life. So stay consistent, meet your own deadlines, and find an accountability partner. That partner can be your mentor, can be your partner, can be your wife, can be your, again, anybody in your life, but you have to make sure that person is accountable and you trust them with your 100%. Okay, don't play the victim. It is easy to blame others when things go wrong. The moment you stop making excuses, that is the time that you start taking charge of your life, and that is only when you will start growing in your life. So हमेशा किसी और की गलती नहीं होती यार. So please understand करो उस बात को. It's your life, your dreams and your decisions, and that is what I always tell in all my videos. You are an adult now. Following a plan is your decision. Whose plan is your decisions. And at the end of the day, the profit and loss, the right and the wrongs, those are also your decisions. So stop blaming anyone else in your life. It is you, it is your life and your dreams. Choose wisely. Find your purpose. Without a direction or a clear plan, it's hard to live a fulfilled life. And your life will never be satisfied. I mean, you will never feel the satisfaction that you have reached somewhere. I mean, होता नहीं that you go to Agra, you stop in the middle, you know you're halfway, and then you feel कि यार 2 घंटे में यहाँ पहुँच गए, and then when you reach Agra, you feel happy that okay, we have covered this thing in like 3 hours or 4 hours. So that particular satisfaction you need to have in your life also. For that, you need to make a clear goal and a clear plan. Okay, and for that plan, you have to write it down in the start of the year, for example, that this year I'm going to do this, this, this. And for that, you need to work your ass off. There's no other way. If you do that, that particular satisfaction at the end of the year will be yours. And finally, the last one. I have seen many unfulfilled people in our company come to me कि सर मज़ा नहीं आ रहा यहाँ पे क्योंकि we are not born to be 9 to 5. I respect that. But that particular risk that they are taking is again their own decision. So if you are thinking that मज़ा नहीं आ रहा 9 to 5 के अंदर मुझे कुछ और करना है, then you have to get that risk into you and then move forward. And when moving forward, of course, I will always help you out, but you have to make sure that you have a clear plan. ये जो plan word है ना, जो बार बार हर बंदा यूज करता है, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. It is the most important constant in your life. अगर तुमने सोचा कि यार सब कुछ हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा तो I'll fall back to my savings, I'll fall back to my old job, then my friend, you are never going to reach anywhere. Trust me on that. You're never going to reach anywhere. But if you have a plan, ठीक है, that I will first try for 3 months, I'll try to reach this number, and that number is never huge. It's not like that you will leave a 2 lakh rupee monthly job and start working on a business, and from the very first month you will start getting 2 lakh rupees as profit. No, I'm sorry, it won't happen. You have to make sacrifices. Okay, you have to make sacrifices. You will have to start adjusting yourself in 20,000, maybe 30,000 rupees a month, and after 6 months you see yourself reaching somewhere, and then you take a decision whether my time is actually worth it. So this is how 8 tips that can help you grow your life. And everything involves 2 things, that is planning, sticking to your schedule, and the variable constant, which I say is risk. If you can take risk, then you are in charge of your life and you will always be satisfied. So that's me, Nachiket Bhatia, with 8 tips that can improve your life. This is the first time that I'm making such kind of video, but I really hope that it can help you in your life on a daily basis. Thank you, and do put your valuable comments in the feedback section. Thank you.